linkage subjects of managerial economics. Managerial economics is linked with different subjects. So these are called as interlinking subjects of managerial economics. So this is called as a interdisciplinary action. Interdisciplinary action of managerial economics. So the different interlinking subjects are, first one is economics. First one is economics. Interlinking subjects of managerial economics are linkage subjects of managerial economics. That means that is the managerial economics is interlinked with different subjects. So this is called as a interdisciplinary action. So the different interlinking subjects are, that is economics, mathematics, operations research, statistics, accountancy. So first of all, that is we discuss about economics. The first interlinking subjects of a managerial economics is economics. Economics, the concept of managerial economics is basically economic concept. The concept of economics is basically economic concept. If the economics is concerned with the study of markets, economics concerned with the study of markets, like that. Managerial economics, the study of impact of such markets in the performance of a given firm. That is the performance of a given firm. Economics deals with the theoretical concepts. Economics deals with the theoretical concepts, and managerial economics is the application of these concepts. That is economics deals with the theoretical concepts. Economics deals with the theoretical concepts, and the managerial economics deals with these concepts applied in a real life situations. Economics and managerial economics, both are concerned with the problems of scarcity and resource allocation. That is first of all, that is economics deals with, that is the first interlinking subjects of managerial economics is economics. The economics tells about the market situations and the theoretical concepts of the market, and the managerial economics, it is that it use these theoretical concepts and apply these theoretical concepts in real life situations. So both the economics and managerial economics are, that is they solve the problems of scarcity and resource allocation. So second interlinking subjects of managerial economics is operations research. That is operations research. So first of all, what is operation research? Operation research, the main focus is in decision making. That is some type of the operations research main focusing area is decision making. Managerial economics focus on problems of decision making, like that the managerial economics focus on problems of decision making, and operation research focus on solving managerial problem. Operation research techniques are linear programming. Operations research techniques are linear programming, queuing, transportation, optimization, that is the main operations research focus on solving managerial problems by the help of different techniques such as linear programming, queuing, transportation, optimization. So these are the different areas of a operations research, that is operation research techniques. So that is in managerial economics, the manager use these all techniques for solving the managerial problems, such as that is a minimization of cost. It is helpful for minimization of cost, and maximization of revenue, So that is the first of all operations research. Operation research is also one of the interlinking subjects of a managerial economics. In operations research, that is operation research is very useful for different type of decision making and to solve different type of problems. So in solving some problems and in taking some decisions, that is operations research uses the techniques of linear programming, queuing, transportation, optimization. So with the help of these all techniques, it solves some type of the problems and takes some important decisions. So in like that is in managerial economics, the manager use these all techniques for minimization of cost. That means to reduce the cost of production, and maximization of revenue. Maximization of revenue means that is to increase the income of the company. So that is the operations research. And next interlinking subject of a managerial economics is mathematics. Next subject is mathematics. So now we discuss about that is how it is interlinked with managerial economics. Mathematics. Managerial economics use tools and techniques. Of mathematics. Tools and techniques of mathematics such as algebra, exponentials, input output tables, and vector for decision making and forward planning. That is the managerial economics use the mathematics. The interlinking subject of managerial economics is that is the mathematics. In managerial economics, the manager use the tools and techniques of mathematics such as algebra, calculus, exponentials, input-output tables and vectors for decision making and forward planning. So that is the next interlinking subjects of managerial economics is mathematics. So next the interlinking subjects of managerial economics is statistics. Statistics deals with different techniques to analyze cause and effect relationships. It also empowers the manager to deal in risk and uncertainty. Through probability and averages, measures of dispersion, correlation, regression, time series analysis, and interpolation. These techniques are conceptual based on managerial economics. That is the statistics deals with different techniques to analyze cause and effect relationships. It also empowers the manager to deal with risk and uncertainty through probability, averages, measures of depression, correlation and regression, time series analysis, and interpolation. These techniques are conceptual based in managerial economics. So the next interlinking subjects of managerial economics is next interlinking subject of managerial economics is accountancy. The accountant provide accounting information relating to cost revenues, receivables, payable, profit and loss, that is the accountancy. The accountant provide accounting information relating to cost, revenues, receivables, that is the bills receivables, and next bills payable, profit and losses. This forms basis for managerial economics. These are the basis for managerial economics. The managerial economics depends upon this accounting data for decision making. Depends upon these accounting data for decision making and forward planning. Decision making and forward planning. This is about accountancy. One of the interlinking subject of managerial economics is accountancy. The accountancy provide accounting for accountant. The accountant of the company provides the accounting information relating to cost, revenues, receivables, that is bills payables, bills receivables, profit and losses of the company. These all information is basis for managerial economics. The managerial economics depends upon these all accounting data for decision making and forward planning. And next interlinking subjects of managerial economics is psychology. That is psychology. The psychology means that is it studied about how the customer react to a given change in price or supply. Price or supply. We know about psychology. Psychology means that is it studied about the human mentality, that is a human behavior. So in this psychology, that is it is helpful to the company, that is to know about how the customer react to a given change in price or supply and its consequent effects on demands or profit. It effect on demand or profits. Its main purpose of study is study of managerial economics. The